Hello everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing video for our new Umino security camera. Our camera comes with many advantages, such as two-way audio and PIR smart sensor. As you can see here, it is super easy to set up your camera with free iOS and Android apps. Other than that, it also includes different applications. For example, you can put it by your front door and garden. You can read the specification on the box. So let's open the box together. First of all, you will see a quick start guide here, and it tells you what is included in this package and how to set up your camera quickly. With this camera, we also include a 2-year limited warranty for you. And here is the camera itself. The camera comes with IR LEDs, PIR motion sensor, and microphone. You can see the speaker, power button, and pre-installed 8GB micro SD card at the back of the camera. It also comes with a USB cable for charging. The stand and screw set are also included. And now we will show you how to install your camera stand. It is easy. You just attach the camera to the stand and tighten the ball joint to your desired angle. You can start this camera by pressing the button for 5 seconds. And now we are going to take you through setting up your camera. First of all, scan the QR code on the guide and download and install the app. Register an account with your email address. Click Add Device and connect your security camera with your Wi-Fi. This camera works with 2.4 GHz only. Don't forget to switch your Wi-Fi back to 2.4 GHz if you're using 5 GHz Wi-Fi. After that, a QR code will appear on the screen of your phone. Just aim the lens of the camera directly to the QR code. And finally, select the location of your camera, such as front door, living room, and garage. And voila, you're done!